Hello students, welcome back to the mathematics digital class. You all have learned addition and multiplication. Now tell me, what is the relation between addition and multiplication? Very simple answer to this question is multiplication is a repetitive addition. For example, if each of 5 students is given 4 books, then to find out the total number of books, we will solve it like this. 4 plus 4, 5 times. Our answer will be 20 books. In the form of multiplication, it can be solved as 4 multiplied by 5. So, we came to know that multiplication is repetitive addition. Now, my question is, what about repetitive multiplication? Or what is multiplication many times? For example, 2 multiplied by 2. It can be written as 2 raised to the power 2 or 2 square. 2 multiplied by 2 3 times can be written as 2 raised to the power 3. Similarly, 2 multiplied by 2 4 times can be written as 2 raised to the power 4. 2 is multiplied by itself 4 times, that is 2 raised to the power 4. Now this 2 raised to the power 4 is the index form, where this 4 is the index or power and this 2 is the base. So, index is the power of any number and indices is the plural form of index, and this is our lesson number 6. In general form, if a is any number and it is multiplied by itself m times. If a is multiplied by itself m times, then it can be written as a raised to the power m, where m is the index or power and a is the base. M is the natural number. It can be read as a raised to the power m or mth power of a. One more thing, the first power of any number is the number itself. For example, 2 raised to the power 1. It is the first power of 2. Then it is 2 only. The first power of any number is the number itself. Similarly, 4 raised to the power 1 is 4, and if a is any number, then a raised to the power 1 is a itself. Now come to problem Sat 26 of your textbook on page number 44. Question number 1 is complete the table. First part is already solved in the table. Now come to third part. You can see here base is given -8 and index is given 2. And we are asked to find index form, its multiplication form and its value. As you know, general index form is a raised to power m. Here a, that is base, is given -8 and m, that is power or index, is given 2. So index form will be minus 8 raised to power 2. Power is 2, so minus 8 will be multiplied by itself 2 times. So multiplication form will be minus 8 multiplied by minus 8. Now to find the value, we will first multiply the magnitudes, that is 8 multiplied by 8 is 64. Now we will multiply the signs. As you know, when two negative numbers are multiplied, then the product or result is a positive number. Or we can say, when minus is multiplied even times, then the product or result is a positive number. And if minus is multiplied odd times, then the result is a negative number. Here you can see minus is multiplied 2 times. Minus 8 multiplied by minus 8, and 2 is even number. So our answer will be plus 64. Now come to fourth part. Here multiplication form is given, that is 3 by 7 multiplied by 3 by 7 multiplied by 3 by 7 multiplied by 3 by 7. That is 3 by 7 is multiplied by itself 4 times, and its value is given 81 upon 2401. As you know, value we get by multiplying. Now we have to find index form, base and index. As you can see, 3 by 7 is multiplied by itself. So base is 3 by 7. Index or power is how many times 3 by 7 is multiplied by itself. You can see 3 by 7 is multiplied by itself 4 times. So index will be 4. Index form, as you know, general index form is a raised to power m. A, that is base. Here is 3 by 7. And m, that is index, is 4. So index form will be 3 by 7 raised to 4. Now come to question number 2. Find the value. First part is 2 raised to power 10, and we are asked to find value. What is 2 raised to power 10? Yes, it is the index form. As you know, general index form is a raised to the power m. A, that is base. Here it is 2. So base is 2. M, that is power or index, is given 10. Now what will be the multiplication form? Yes, multiplication form will be how many times 2 is multiplied by itself. As you know, 2 is multiplied by itself 10 times. So multiplication form will be 2 multiplied by 2 10 times. Now we will find the value. To find the value, we will multiply 2 by 2 10 times. So our answer will be 1024. Now come to third part. We are given the index form, that is minus 7 raised to the power 4. Now what is the base here? Yes, the base is minus 7. What is the index? Yes, it is 4. Now to find the multiplication form, you can see the power is 4. So minus 7 is multiplied by itself 4 times. So multiplication form is minus 7 multiplied by minus 7 4 times. Now to find the value, first we will multiply the magnitude, that is 7 multiplied by 7 4 times. Our answer will be 2401. Now we will multiply the minus signs. As you know, when minus is multiplied even times, then our answer will be positive number. Here minus is multiplied 4 times, 4 is even, so our answer will be plus 2401. Now come to sixth part. We are given the index form 8 raised to the power 1. Now what is base here? Yes, 8. Index is 1. Or we can say whenever index is 1, then it is the first power of any number. And we know that first power of any number is the number itself. So its value will be 8. Now come to seventh part. Here the index form is given 4 by 5 raised to the power 3. As you know, general index form is a raised to the power m. A is base. So what is the base here? Yes, 4 by 5. Now what is the value of power? Yes, 3. So index will be 3. Now multiplication form. As you can see, 4 by 5 is multiplied by itself 3 times as the power is 3. So multiplication form is 4 by 5 multiplied by 4 by 5 multiplied by 4 by 5. Now we will find the value. To find the value, we will simply multiply 4 multiply 4 multiply 4. That is 64 upon, now we will multiply the denominators, 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. That is 125. So our answer or the value is 64 upon 125. Now your homework is to solve the remaining questions of problem set 26. Thank you.